Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now? First, confirm your iOS is up to date so Control Center features work as expected. Once done, make sure you know your device passcode and Apple ID credentials because some toggles require authentication. Next, open Settings and go straight to Control Center. This is where you add or remove controls and change access settings. You're doing the essential checks first so nothing blocks the configuration, and after this step, we'll modify the controls themselves. Now you'll customize the layout. Tap the plus button to add items like low power mode or voice memos, and tap minus to remove anything you don't use. Make sure to drag the 3-line handle to reorder controls so the most used features are within thumb reach. This improves speed and ergonomics. If you prefer privacy, disable access on lock screen, otherwise enable it for convenience. As you change items, test the gestures so you know exactly how the updated Control Center responds. Finish by testing the gestures. On newer iPhones, swipe down from the top right. On older models, swipe up from the bottom. Make sure each added control opens and responds. If something is missing, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. That often restores normal behavior. If problems persist, check restrictions or screen time settings, and only reset network or all settings as a last resort. This keeps your data intact, but can fix stubborn configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.